In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a custom workflow in Jira. If you're trying to model a development lifecycle, build a code review path, or add more control to how issues move through your team's process, Jira workflows can make a huge difference. The challenge is that if you don't know exactly where these settings live, it can feel harder than it needs to be. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the workflow area, open the visual editor, add statuses, connect them with transitions, validate everything, and publish your changes cleanly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're on the main Jira dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear. This is where the administrative options for your Jira instance are grouped together. After the settings menu opens, find and select issues. That will take you into the configuration area where issue-related settings are managed. When the page loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find workflows. Click that to open the workflow management section where you can see the workflows currently available in your Jira environment. Next, go to the upper right corner of the page and click Add Workflow. Jira will open a workflow creation window. In the name field, enter a clear and professional workflow name that helps you identify its purpose later. Once you've entered the name, click Add. This opens a blank visual canvas where you can begin building the workflow. Now it's time to add your statuses. At the top of the canvas, click Add Status. Enter the name of the status you want to create, such as Code Review or QA Triaged. Then choose the category that best matches it, like In Progress or Done. After that, click Add. The new status will appear on the canvas as a visual node. This makes it easier to see the structure of your process as you build it. Once your statuses are in place, you can connect them using transitions. Click Add Transition from the top toolbar. In the dialog box, choose the starting status from the From Status dropdown, then choose the destination in the To Status dropdown. Give the transition a short, action-focused name, such as Submit for Review, and click Add. Jira will draw the connection between those statuses on the canvas. Before making the workflow live, run a final check. Click Workflow Validation if that option is available, or manually review the layout to confirm your statuses and transitions are correct. When everything looks good, click Publish Changes or Update. That will save the workflow and make it available for use in your Jira environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you